Hello and welcome to my new course Python Programming A to Z. This lecture is about course overview, and please don't skip this lecture. This is very much important for learning point of view. In this course overview lecture, you will learn about helpful tips to go through all course and how to learn effectively. How to get help during this course, advice how to approach on course, where to find the course material, explanations, guides and practice code, how to use student chat channel. Useful tips for this course: use the gear setting to speed up the course. Like if you want to attend it speedy, then you can use the gear settings on the video play button. Use the Udemy mobile app to download the videos of course lectures. Use the question answer section to get immediate help and clarifications about your doubts. How to get help? Attend the lecture carefully and with attentive listening. Use the Google Stack Overflow search. Submit the questions on question and answer section with description, screenshots, error codes. For Udemy platform issues, email on support@udemy.com. For payment issues, for video playback issues, for certificate issues. Best way to learn the course. How to approach this course? Best way to approach the course is practice the practical files until you get mastery on them. Also, you can practice with watching the lectures in parallel and watch through the practices and the videos until you get mastery on it. Read the notes, comments mentioned and the coding files very carefully along with video guide. Do practice more and more until get a complete satisfaction. Also, you can use the student chat channel. This link in the course welcome message to start the discussion. Welcome message also contains the YouTube video link how to start chat on the Udemy course with instructor. Please remember, chat section is to connect yourself with other students. For any queries related to the course, you can directly ask to the instructor in question answer section. This student chat channel will help you to get immediate help. Target audience for this course: beginners who have never programmed before, the intermediate Python programmers who want to level up their skills, programmers switching language to Python. The Python course is intended for anyone who would like to pursue a career in data sciences as well. Furthermore, you can see what we are covering in our curriculum lecture. Thank you. I'll be back with next lecture. I hope you are enjoying it.